Peace and love. Hold on 1 second. All right, quick clip. For those of you who don't, who watch my videos and might not feel where I be coming from, because I just say a lot of shit and don't really show you shit. You know what I'm saying? Please believe that I do all my own research and my own facts, research on my own facts of the information, and I come to my own conclusions based on the facts. And the conclusions that I come to are always sound conclusions. So therefore, if I don't feel like I don't know something almost for sure and for certain, then I'm saying I don't know it. So here's something that I'm gonna present to y'all real quick. I just gotta find it real quick so that you understand. For those of us that use the law, right, and wonder why we fail, is because you fail to give the law that you use a basis in some type of fact. You have to base it on a fact. For example, I'll talk while I'm looking. For example, I was born out of my mom's womb at a certain date, certain time, a certain place, right? Now, the laws that apply to that, of course, the law of contract goes into commerce and all of that good stuff, right? But at the end of the day, right, if I'm ignorant of those laws, right, no good. But if I'm ignorant of the fact that I was even in a contract, I have a legal excuse. And like I said, right, anybody with a sound mind can't deny that they were not ignorant of the fact that they entered into a contract, birth certificate, social security card, by way of their trustee, third-party trustee, their parents, right, when they were born. Read all that. Ignorantia, eorum, whatever that says, quas qui scire teniter non excusat. Ignorantia facti excusat. Ignorantia facti excusat. Ignorantia juris non excusat. Facti is fact, juris is law. And read American jurisprudence. You can read, I think it's the second edition. It covers the law of contracts. Pay attention. Ignorantia juris quod quisque tenter scire neminem excuse it. Imagine going into a court of law and then speaking this exact language. Speak this language, the legal language, right? See what happens. Ignorance of the fact that I was fucking in a contract absolutely excuses me from any type of liability to that contract. Why? Because I fucking said so. Why? Because the law supports what I said so. The law supports the fact that you can't enter me into a contract if I don't have the mental capacity to contract. And if you do so, which you did, right, when I do have the mental capacity to contract, I have the absolute right to say no. I don't agree to the contract.